Yeah, we got to figure out what's going on there. Last night, several cheerleaders who were practicing at the school had to be taken to local hospitals after complaining of eye irritation. So our Sean Tobin ran right over there. He's at Father Judge now. Sean, what have you learned?
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, Mike, not only do we know that the school right now is completely off limits to anybody trying to enter it. It is an in-service day for teachers, so no students were scheduled to be here, but we're now being told through sources with the Philadelphia Fire Department that 2 local emergency rooms have now been temporarily quarantined because of some of these victims that have gone there to be treated for what they're mostly complaining about eye irritation. Multiple patients earlier today, that you can see the scene there, that is the fire department now holding sentry, will not let anybody onto the property of the high school right here. And again, to reiterate, students were not scheduled to be here. But earlier today, the scene in the early morning hours, as the sun came up, you could see we found some hazmat crews that were here and were investigating to see what the source of this eye irritation was to these victims. And we're being told somewhere between 5 to 10 victims spread over at least 2 to 3 emergency rooms up here in Northeast Philadelphia. The common bond, once these patients came in and complained of this eye irritation, they found out that the common bond among all of those patients was that they attended a cheerleading competition here at Father Judge High School on Sunday afternoon. So once they found that common bond between all of these victims, that's when hazmat crews came up here to investigate, and they've been on site for several hours now. Again, no classes scheduled. Teachers were supposed to be coming here for an in-service day. We're being told right now that more than likely they will be sent home too as well. But right now we're being told that 2 local emergency rooms are now temporarily quarantined because of these victims that are in there. They're trying to get a gauge on exactly what this is, what is causing this eye irritation from this event almost 24 hours ago. So that's the scene. You can see the fire department here, emergency crews here, and we're trying to get more details. And
well, luckily there was an in-service day, but this quarantine of emergency rooms is quite startling. All right, Sean, find out more stuff. Get back to us 7:35.